Dual Blend number 19, Lavender 256, Neutral Disinfectant Cleaner Deodorizer. This highly concentrated product, diluted exclusively through the NCL Dual Blend Chemical Management System, produces 643 gallons of solution per concentrated case. Dual Blend number 19, Lavender Disinfectant 256, carries an extensive list of label kill claims to ensure the continued health and safety of those in your facility. The neutral formulation and high concentration level combine to make this an ideal floor cleaner, and the lavender fragrance will provide long-lasting odor control in a wide range of facilities.